This is Abhijit from Abhigik, and today we would be telling that this iPhone 5s is worth of buying in 2016 or not. It's year end, so we would be planning to purchase or upgrade it to iPhone 6 or iPhone 6s. That is old, but let's begin. So iPhone 5s, it comes under categorization of 64-bit chip of A7 processor with a 8 megapixel camera of aperture 2 and a backend of 8 megapixel camera with 1500 mAh battery and plus current operating system of 10.1.2. With a 8 megapixel of camera, it clicks very decent photos and which are very elaborate in nature. You can see the detailing images which I clicked, and I want to show them to you so that you can precisely know the worth of it and how it detailed pics you can see. So the thing is that you can see this. These are the pics which I clicked in iPhone 5s, and this was the detailing images which I clicked. So it's a worth phone of buying today, but its battery is 1500 mAh battery which lasts around 1500 mAh battery which lasts around 1 day. That's the issue. But as per the iOS updates which are being sound that it would come around till 2 years more, and the latest update is 10.1.2 which fixed many bugs and features, and let's have a hang on these and let's begin. So you can see, as per configurations, I have said that it has a lock screen which a good AMOLED display, and it can go further for its detailed review. You can see the apps which are installed, and as per clarity is concerned, you can see that till date its picture quality or camera quality is gorgeous. You can see if I click this image, as per the focus is concerned, you can see that how it clicks and how the shutter button opens, and it's worth keeping in touch. You can see the detailed crispiness of the phone, and it's very high. As per price is concerned, it is available on Amazon in India for 21,000 rupees, but it is not worth, because you can switch to a different platform of phone which I would recommend you can switch to iPhone 6s or 7 if you go. As per price is concerned, for an Indian consumer you might go for this, but it's as the latest chipset, which is A9 chipset, which is more frequent, and it has a 1 GB of RAM. I played many games on this and it was worthwhile playing because I checked it and it was great. And basically the thing is that the 3 drawbacks are there which I normally focused on and I analyzed it. Our first drawback is that it doesn't have a 3D touch interface, in which iPhone 6s and iPhone 6 got the update of 10.1.2, but it had the 3D touch update, but it doesn't had first. The second, that iOS update which is being coming, it comes to around 2 years, and after 2 years you would see that it would not come. The third thing, which is that you might be absent the feel of 4K resolution display of camera quality,